2023, the Kuki Council and the elected MLAs to deliver a durable political solution that secures the life, land, identity and constitutional rights of the community. Guarantee the safety and democratic space of all participants, particularly women in the peaceful mass rally scheduled for 29 April 2026 and direct the state machinery to refrain from the obstruction of or retaliatory action against the rally and its organizer. Make a public assurance to the people of Manipur and to the Kuki women and children in particular, the Union government will not permit impunity for those who escalated the violence, and that the rule of law will be restored without fear or favor. So the women of the Kuki community continue to repost our faith in the Constitution of India and in your leadership. We honestly trust that the Union government under your stewardship will rise to this moment and ensure that justice, truth and accountability are delivered, not as a matter of grace, but as a lawful right of every citizen of this nation. We thank you for your kind attention and remain ever hopeful of a just and timely response from your good office. With the highest regard, President, Kuki Women Organization for Human Rights and President, Kuki Women Union General Headquarters.
Thank you.